What's up guys, welcome back to the Yooo channel, and I'm Guillermo, Cube Everything. So today this is a video request by, I can say, most of the audience in my Instagram account or either YouTube channel as well. They request a advanced F2l tutorial, which is the most intuitive F2l transitions, the advanced cross transitions, or either F2l best cross transition tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you the top 3 ways on cross, which is the most important part on the F2l tutorial. Which today I'm going to teach you the advanced F2l tutorial, but the top 3 ways on this tutorial is about cross transitions on F2l. So bet you need to watch this video till the end. And let's start with the Q info. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick brief out about what actually is Advanced F2l. So actually, Advanced F2l, it consider the most important part is the F2l cross transitions, which F2l cross transition mostly it needs to use the advanced finger tricks. So I'll drop a link above my finger disc for the advanced 3x3 finger tricks tutorial. So make sure you watch the video before coming to watch this video, or you can either pick up the link in the description below as well. So let's get started on the advanced F2l. Okay, so the first method is the alternative cross section, which what actually means by alternative cross section, as the words alternative means like I say give you a brief translation on the alternative meanings is kind of opposites, which as you can see this is a green, orange, white pieces, corners, and green, orange. So which we need to slide it on this side, as you can see. So what actually we need to do is we pull this up, double rotate it back to our face, slide it down, and we face on the red color page, and we slide it back to the original centerpiece. So what actually is so important on alternative cross is because we can reduce a lot of regrips, which a lot of regrips and a lot of face turn as well. So if we use the alternative method, we can always slide those bars to the back without looking at it or without doing face turn like this. So the alternative cross section is kindly I can say one of the most important method as well. Okay, so the second method is I call it as the cross switch. So what actually means by cross switch? So cross switch is we do a line of bars in different alignments, which as you can see, this is a orange, blue, white pieces, corner pieces, and orange, blue center pieces. So actually we're going to do is we're going to put it on this side and we double rotate to slide it here, and only we switch the red, blue in different sizes, which we're going to do like this. We put this to the right side, like this red to its original pieces, and we can see the orange, blue, white, orange, blue is still remains the same, which is the alternative cross. So we're going to double rotate and slide back to the center piece. So the third method is the recognition. So what I means by the recognition. So as we do F2l, we need to put our, I can say, our focus and our fingers as well on the first parts and the first waves as well, which means we need to do the F2l in either 8 seconds or below 10 seconds as well. So actually we can do that as recognition is most probably the most important part. I mean, it takes the most important part in this kind of situation. So recognition is something kind of like this, which as you can see, this pieces white, green, red, red, green, which as you can see, when you firstly look at this situation, you need to recognize it, which as this kind of situation will do the methods on slide either left or either I slide it to the right side, which is like this. So it really depends on if you face on the recolor page, you do it on right side. But if the right side comes out like this, is mean by the alternative cross, which means we need to do double R. We can either choose to do it on left side. So it means by this, and we push it up and do the face turn will be even faster, and the finger tricks will be easier to move out and move in as well. Normally for the last two method, which is the fourth and fifth method, I'll normally shows you the specific situation on the previous method that I just taught, which is the alternative cross switch and the recognition as well. So the first one, as I mentioned, is the alternative cross. So the alternative cross, the special situation for alternative cross is this kind of situation, which you see blue, red, white, red, blue, which this bars is switched differently. So actually we can do with alternative crosses, as I just mentioned before. Alternative cross is a method for you to reduce your regroups and reduce your face turn as well. So we're not going to do face turns again, but instead of doing face turn, we can use another method which I will teach you right now, which is the special situation method. So as this kind of situation, firstly you need to pull either your R, or either you can do it like on your orange page. It depends on which page you are facing on. So first of all, right now I'm facing on the green page, so I'm going to do the R push. I mean R pull. So pull it up, slide down, and right now as you can see it's turns like this. So what you can do to reduce a face turn or either a regrips is we directly do the F face turns, and we make it to a bar and we slide back with the alternative cross. Okay, so for the second special situations method is for the cross switch. As this kind of cross switch, as you can see, is the white, green, red, green, red on the back, and this one, the special situation for this one is one more slide switch is on your left side or either on your right side. So as this situation is on your left side, so what it means by slide switch is orange, green, white, green, orange. So what you're going to do with these two switches like this, as I will normally recognize it as the X cross, which as you can see, there's one string right here and another cross right here, which is X cross, which if we combine it together, this is how we're going to do for this situation. Is first of all we're going to put this green, which we slide this two into one slide first, and we slide back to its original place, and only we fix the right hand side orange green bars, which we do like this. Pull it out, as you can see is on white one bars, and this turns to a alternative cross like this here, and you can see the green, orange, and this alternative cross still remains. So do the double turns and slide back to the original. The last special situation method is for the recognition. So I think now you may be judging me about, do recognition have special situations on it? Actually, it has. So actually, it's the special situation for recognition is, I can say, it's very limited and it's kind of hard to find out when you're doing speed solving, but sometimes it still comes out special situation on recognition methods. So what actually it means by recognition, as you can see, this is a orange top, which it lines in a bar, and this is blue, blue, white. So what I can do with this is there's two methods, which one of the method is we pull it up and slide back and do the rotations. But instead of that method, we can always do a reduce phase turns method. So what I mean by reduce phase turn or the reduce regress method is we push this bar to this side and just put it in. And when you pull this corner pieces to its bottom, don't let go of your thumb, and we push the U, and only we let go our thumb after we do the U push, and do the face turns and slide back to the center pieces. Okay, so this is all for today on the advanced F2l tutorial in this video. So if you still have any misunderstanding on the alternative cross that I just taught you on the first method, you can always comment below in the comment section, or you can either choose to PM me in the HumanCuber officially Instagram account as well. So thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe button, and share to friends as well if you think this is a very great tutorial on the advanced F2l transitions tutorial. So thank you for today as well, and it's the same. Once again, this is HumanCuber channel, and I'm Guillermo, Q everything. So see you next time, and ciao.